Hello everybody, Josh here. Join me as we turn this old lunchbox into a cool camera bag. Let's go! Alright, so we've got some polyfoam purchased at a local craft store here. And I've also got my handy dandy leatherworking toolbox. We won't need many of these tools, but a couple will come in handy. We'll do some leatherworking in another video. This is what we're looking for. Hopefully that'll be all we'll need. We'll see. Full disclosure, I have no clue what I'm doing, so we're gonna wing it and learn as we go. So what we'll do is we'll stack up these layers of foam and cut out what we need to fit the camera in there. So now we've got 4 pieces of foam, and we just need to mark out in here where the camera's going, where the lens is going, where the microphone's going, all that good jazz. So give me a bit and we'll be right back. Y'all know how this goes. And there it is. So it's not the fanciest setup, but it'll work. It's inconspicuous. I got pockets for my SD cards. And if I ever get more equipment or whatever, I could always just cut some more foam pads. I got plenty of foam left. So I think the whole project cost me $3.99 in foam. And then, you know, cost of the lunchbox that I wasn't using anymore, so pretty much free on that end. So, not bad. Hey everybody, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for coming along with me on this project. It was a fun one and a useful one, something that you can do as well, and it was pretty cheap. Like I said, $3.99 I think for the foam, and then I just had this laying around. So go be somebody, go make stuff, enjoy life, and catch you on the next one. Peace.